Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a new account in Cider using the Cider application on your mobile device. Whether you are a trendsetter seeking stylish outfits or want to unlock exclusive perks, creating a Cider app account opens the door to personalized fashion, seamless shopping, and membership rewards. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, if you are using Android, open up Google Play Store, whereas if you are using iOS, open up your App Store. Make sure that you search for this application and download and install the app on your device. Once you do that, tap on Open, and this will be the home page for Cider. Go to the bottom right corner and tap the Me button. On the next page, you will see the login button, tap on it. Now on the next page, you can go ahead and create an account with this login button itself. You can start your account creation by tapping on Login with Apple, Google, Facebook, or the email option. I'm gonna choose the Login with Email option. On the next page, write down an email address you want to create an account with. Once done, click on Continue. On the next page, enter your verification code that has been sent to you via email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and open the email from Cider. Copy the email code that you received, paste it inside the Cider app box, or type it down. Now soon after you do that, you will be able to register for a Cider account. You can now go ahead and tap the Me button at the bottom right in order to view your profile points, membership level, and rewards. So that's how you can easily create your Cider account using the Cider app on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.